So for the last page of our notes, we are on page 8, and we're going to look at vertical and horizontal lines. These are much quicker to do, but you have to remember that they're a little bit different. So right down here, I'm going to just underline my horizontal line. Remember when we did this in the previous unit? A horizontal line looks like this. Y equals, and then some type of number. I'm going to use that hashtag symbol. A vertical line is X equals some type of number. So it's going to be pretty much the same thing for inequalities, except instead of an equal symbol, there's an alligator mouth symbol. So exercise 3 says graph the following inequalities in the XY planes provided. Here we go, graph. For each, state a point in the solution and a point not in the solution. This is good practice because on your next quiz, you're going to have to do the same thing. State a point in the solution and a point not. So for part A, X is less than 4. I see it's X and a number, so I know it's a vertical line. I'm going to put a point on 4. Now to make a line, I need more than one point. That's a geometry thing. So I'm just going to put another point here. Now I can connect them. Before I do that, let's take a look at our symbol. There is no equal to bar. So that means it's a dotted line. That's a really bad dotted line. Let's jazz that up a little bit. Oh boy. Look at that. No mistake in that now. And I'm going to label it. Now, sorry, we're going to do true, false. So I'm going to pick a point. I'm going to pick 0, 0. And you don't have to plot that. I just put that there for my point of reference. This is a little thick. Okay. So I'm going to plug a 0 in for X. There's nothing to plug in for Y. Is that thing true or false? The alligator mouth bites the 4, so it's true. So I'm going to shade on this side. Now, give a point in the solution. Well, I'm going to do 0, 0 because that was true. A point not in the solution would be anything over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to do 7, 7. Okay. Anything that is not in the colored in area is fine. Now this letter B, it says Y is greater than or equal to -2. So that is a horizontal line. And for this one, we're going to start on the y-axis at -2. I need another point to make it a line. Now this has an equal to bar, so I make it solid. I'm going to label it. Now I have to pick a test point. I'm going to do that in a different color. I'm going to pick 0, 0 again. You don't have to. You can pick any other point that you want as long as it's not on that line. But I like to be consistent. So I'm going to plug a 0 in for Y. There is no X number. Is that true? Oh, that's true. 0 is bigger than -2. So I'm going to shade on this side. And again, we have to pick a point in the solution. So I'm going to use that point that I tested. And a point not in the solution. How about 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? How about 0, -5? You guys are going to work on the homework assignment, pages 9 and I believe 10, and then we'll do more practice on this for the rest of the unit. So as always, if you have questions, please reach out, ask, email, after school, whatever you need to do. Take care, guys.